Good evening, I'm Alan Devlin. Thank you for joining us here tonight. It's setting up to be the largest nurses' strike in city history. Tonight is the last chance for the nurses' union and 5 major hospitals to reach a contract deal before nurses could hit the picket lines. Kristie Keleshian tells us where things stand now.
Nearly 16,000 nurses citywide are expected to picket at 10 city hospital locations on Monday as the New York State Nurses Association demands key issues be met in their updated contracts, including
safe staffing for our patients, healthcare benefits for frontline nurses, and protection from workplace violence.
Maimonides nurse Nancy Hagan says she and her colleagues are left with no other choice as weekend negotiations have not reached deals at these hospitals: Mount Sinai Hospital, Mount Sinai Morningside and West, Montefiore, and New York-Presbyterian. Some New Yorkers we talk with are supportive, but others worry about what this means for patients.
A strike is a last resort. So when it comes down to a decision to strike, that's a big deal, and the public should be paying attention to that and recognizing that we depend on healthcare workers.
I would say I support their ability to get what they think they deserve, but not at the cost of lives.
Montefiore describes contract demands, including wage increases and panic buttons, as, quote, reckless and irresponsible, saying it expects the strike to go on for weeks. Mount Sinai says, quote, we continue to bargain in good faith, and that patient appointments will proceed as originally scheduled. And New York Presbyterian is calling the demands, quote, unrealistic, saying NYC, quote, refuses to respond to our economic and staffing proposals. And Hagan's emphasizes to those needing care,
patients should not delay going to the hospital if they need care while we are on strike.
Neisner says picketing is expected to start as early as 6 a.m. on Monday at Mount Sinai locations and 7 a.m. at the other hospitals. And picketing is expected to take place until 7 p.m. On the west side, Kristie Keleshian, CBS News, New York.
Now, before you head out the door tomorrow morning, look for live coverage right here on CBS News New York. That's going to be beginning at 4:30 a.m. And for updates anytime, go to cbsnewyork.com.